Hey guys, Chad here with Midlife Classic Cars. Me and my stepson Gavin are about to finally start this new project on the Subaru. Today his goal is to just get the engine bay washed down and get some of the car cleaned out. I personally prefer working on clean cars. I'm trying to teach that to him. This is his first automotive project he's ever really had. He's just now about to get his driver's license and he wants to maybe consider having this car or flip this car, the Subaru WRX. So that's where as a parent, I'm going to try to teach him how to use tools. I don't care if he becomes a car person. It's just important to me that he learns how to use tools. I said before, he's a music person, and I think this is a good start. We know the head's blown on one side, so we're going to be pulling the engine out of this, and then from there make a decision if we're going to rebuild the head, if we're going to just go find another engine and slap in it, and let him make a decision from there. But for right now, we're gonna get this thing out, get it cleaned, and get it into the shop. I think we need to get it this way a bit. So that. All right, Gavin just got the car into the shop. He's washed it, he's vacuumed it. This is, like I said before, I just prefer working on clean cars. So he today is actually going to be more working from here on out, sorting my tools. I've been working a lot in the warehouse lately, making room and trying to get this set up so he can do this project. But as you can see, I still have a lot of space and I'm running out of shelving for our books. So I have to get more shelving in here and I need to get this stuff sorted. So that's gonna be his next project. Man, it's hot in here. You can see my glasses fogging up. But he's about to get started. Also, he now has a shop manual. He's gonna be using the Haynes Shop Manual to do this. This one's for the Subaru WRXs. You can find this on our website, Midlife Classic Cars. And then he's also got to go home in a little bit and start making videos. He's a music producer. He's not making videos, he's making music, sorry. So he's a music producer and he's going to make some music for our videos and get started. And you can see he did a great job. I mean, the base is way cleaner than when we first started. So today he's not going to start cranking on things. I think maybe tomorrow he is. But yeah, we're moving along. I think this is going to be a great summer project for him. Hopefully this isn't going to be a summer project. Hopefully this is going to be like a few weeks project. And I told him, like, get this one done, get another car in here. This is a good way to start saving up for college, you know, saving up for going on dates, learning how to use tools. This is a great project. So let's get him started on getting these tools sorted, and hopefully in the next video you'll see him actually start taking the engine out. Hey guys, Chad here. It's our second day. Gavin's already gotten the car all washed. We got a lot of our tools organized and sorted to do the job. I was wanting to build workbenches here. Eventually I'm going to, but my old car show table is going to work for now. And then we've got a lot of the tools sorted and organized and teaching him how to use them. That's what we've been doing this morning. But today, this is going to be his first day of actually working on the car. He's about to put the car up on jacks, drain fluid, remove the battery, and then we're getting after it, getting this engine out. So yeah, this is his first day being a mechanic, wrenching on a car. I think he's pretty excited. I know Lucas, are you excited? Me and Lucas have this shirt that says, "My cat bullies me." Our cat bullies both me and Lucas. It's not a laughing matter. It's actually pretty intense. Right, Luke? But we're going to get after it, and hopefully next step you're going to see parts getting removed from the car. Okay, so we're at the point he's gotten the intake out, we've got the throttle disconnected, we've got most of the cooling system disconnected, some of the electrical we're kind of working on the power steering hoses right now. We're trying to see if there's a way to disconnect them without, you know, letting air into the lines and having to re-bleed them. I know I've seen other videos where people take the air conditioning system and kind of pull it over to the side so you don't have to disconnect it. I'm not sure if I'll be able to get away with that with the power steering, but we're gonna keep on at it. How's it going, Luke? I think he's enjoying the Subaru. All right, we're gonna get back at it. Give it a go, just try to pull it straight out. It looks like we've got everything disconnected. Sounds like some fluid's coming out. We're gonna walk straight out. Lean it back. There you go. All right, why don't you walk it over, just lay it on the table over there for now. Lay it flat like that. Ooh, ooh, keep going, gotta move quick, gotta move quick. Tilt it back. There we go. All right, and so what happened is you had fluid in the reservoir. See the white thing over there? Yeah. That's the reservoir. When you tilt it back, it allows water to come out that way. And next time you kind of got to keep them upright, because unfortunately the way we had it tilted, it just didn't let all the fluid drain out. But I mean, you live and learn. You now need to get a towel and wipe this up because it's a liability of us slipping and falling. But hey, you took your first major part out of a car. Yeah. The radiator was not bad. See how we're looking in here. So Gavin just got his first major project, car project out, getting the radiator out, draining the radiator fluid and everything. It wasn't a bad task, it's just he had a lot of learning. Like, for example, he's never used hose clamps before to pull hoses, and just different things of using tools. And he's probably like a lot of people, he's timid to break stuff. But my kind of rule with cars and how I learned is you break it, you fix it. That's the nice thing about learning how to work on cars. You eventually learn how not to break things, and you realize the things you do break, you have the skill set to fix. And I think this is a perfect car to start that on. Like, I've already broken a few vacuum hoses myself, just moving them and just showing them like, look, this stuff, it breaks. You just can't get too emotional over it. You just got to keep moving on. But he's got the radiator over there now, and now we're going to see what's next and keep moving on. So we're pretty much finishing up our, I guess it's like kind of our second day working. Washing was one day, and then this day we got a fair amount done. We've got the exhaust disconnected. We took the radiator out, disconnected throttle and all that. A bunch of little random electrical stuff we got out. And just a bunch of other small stuff. We're hoping tomorrow to get the intercooler out, to get the fuel system disconnected, and a few other things. And hopefully in the next video, we'll be lifting the engine out and getting this over with. Right now, Gavin's sorting some tools. Like, I'm trying to teach him, like, hey, every day when you're done, pack your tools away, sort them and everything so that you can find what you're looking for when you come back to work. Gavin, what'd you think?
Not bad at all.
Not bad
at all. The shop manual helped out a lot, especially when we were draining fluids. Yeah, I'm excited to keep working on the engine. I think it's going to turn out good.
So this is your first car you've never even helped me on any of my other car projects, have you? Yeah, so this is, I mean, guitars are his thing, but I mean, this is awesome. I'm glad he's getting to do this and getting to learn how to use tools. You use a lot of tools today.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, even had to show him how to use an oxygen sensor adapter to get one of those out and stuff. So he's doing good, but I think this is going to be it. Check us out on Facebook, YouTube, and all that other jazz. And hope everybody has a good one. And we'll see you in the next video.